Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another sugaring video. Today we're going to be doing a chin and a little bit of hair on her neck area. So what I'm doing right now is just prepping her face, cleansing her off, and then I'll apply powder, and then we'll start with the sugaring. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. So we're gonna start sugaring the chin area. With the chin, what I like to do is use maybe like 1 or 2 fingers because it is a smaller area than, say, the Brazilian area or leg. So it's easier if you can do it with 1 or 2 fingers. And also with the hair on the face, typically is a little bit more fine or a little bit more stubborn, so you do have to mold the sugar in more than your typical, 3 or 4 times like you do with the Brazilian. So as you can see, I am definitely molding it in a lot more, and I'm using just 1 finger. So yeah, and also with the hair that's on the face, I like to use a softer sugaring paste instead of a more firm, because with the softer it gets into those finer hairs a lot better than if you were to use one that's a little bit more, firmer. So yeah, with the softer paste, it's easier for it to grab and wrap around those finer hairs and pull them out.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to, after I get done, do some aftercare, wipe her off, put some aftercare natural oil, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like these sugaring videos and you'd like to see me do another one, just let me know. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also we have some vlogs coming, so yeah, stay tuned, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.